Want to clean your dishwasher's filter? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A filter and possibly some dish soap. Step 1. Remove the filter from the dishwasher. Open the dishwasher. Under the basket, the filter is hidden under a cap or twist cap. Loosen this and remove the filter from the dishwasher. Step 2. Clean the filter. Carefully clean the filter. Use a brush and some dish soap if necessary. Step 3. Place the filter back in the dishwasher. Place the clean filter back in the dishwasher, then proceed to place the cap or twist cap back. The filter is clean and the dishwasher is ready to use again.